We are on our way to the vet with this little guy who is hiding in his pillow fort. Jacket fort. We're just going for vaccines and just his yearly checkup. So he's still hiding. I'm gonna go past him. Still hidden. And husband has decided we are going to have to acquire this toy for him. The bug. So we're in the consult room. He's still hiding and we're just waiting for the vet to come through now. Don't worry. I hope you didn't pee in here, dude. And he's one of your guys. He was born here.
I remember I saw him for his little puncture wound earlier in the year. And he healed quite well. And yeah, I remember you were concerned about.
He's just hiding in the corner, in the furthest corner of the table, as far as he can get. But everything sounds good, lungs sound good, he's in good condition. We're just waiting for the scale and then he's gonna get his shots and then we're all done.
Hey love. Come on, Momo. Stop cheating. Okay, let's have a looky. Now his head is half off, but it's this is not an.
Daddy, please save me from the nasty vet. Please. Please. Please save me.
So we're back in the car. The little drama queen is down here. He has burritoed himself up again. It's just his face poking out now. But he did very, very well and everything's looking really great. So he's in good health. And we are home. And I think the diva has disappeared in his fort again. So we'll take him out just now and he can be released into the garden. There's Sashni greeting us as we arrive. Happy Dogo. There we go. Okay. Through the garden. Waiting for the husband. You're just gonna get to look at my front door in the meantime. A mai. And releasing the drama queen. Mommy! Look, we are home. And I assume he's going to go hide under the bed now. Right, so you can see we got all of the little details that he got vaccinated. And if anyone is interested, so we gave him today, he got his boosters, he got the new toy, and he got dewormed and treated for fleas and so on. Not that he has them, but it's just a precaution. And we paid 977 Rand. So we were in the ballpark, we were a little bit above the ballpark that we'd mentioned in our video. Do not trust us yet. Are you upset with us? Nope. As you can see, he has recovered well. He's still sulking with us a little bit, and he has a very wet and sticky back from the broad line. And while that was happening to him, this is where everybody else was. We have Alice in the garden. We have Kebby in the garden. And if you look really hard, because he really kind of disguises himself, there's Baba. Hey boy. Hi boy. So he got a clean bill of health. The vet said everything is looking really, really good. His vitals are good. His heart and lungs sound fine. He's of good weight. He's 4 kilos. And everything is looking really great. So hopefully that's it for the year. and off he goes with his sisters. And we'll see you in the next one. Remember to like and share this video. It was just a quick vlog, but it still helps us out. And that's all I have. Bye!